भेज रहे हैं, जवाब देते फिरते।
हेलो स्टार्ट।
वेलकम बैक। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने पाकिस्तान के
हेलो
नेशनल
माय डियर
डेप्यूटी
नरेंद्र मोदी।
पीएम मोदी ने खत लिखकर कहा है कि पड़ोसी देशों में भरोसे का
I thought you are a gentleman in not writing love letters to Pakistan army chief.
देना चाहिए कि लव लेटर
He is a man who can handle corruption without fear. But you are you, Mr. Modi ji, as a Prime Minister of India, you are writing love letters to
नेशनल डे पर
black money,
बधाई दी है। पीएम मोदी ने खत लिखकर
corruption,
कहा है कि पड़ोसी देशों में
influence
भरोसे का रिश्ता
peddling.
होना चाहिए।
चाहता हूँ पाकिस्तान
and you are using foreign scent,
पाकिस्तान को
foreign deodorants, and spending government money and wasting in trying to find who is writing love letters.
वेलकम बैक।
If Pranab Mukherjee is writing letters, love letters,
इमरान खान को बधाई
actually it is not bad because he is getting a salary of 5 lakhs rupees per month,
जवाब देना चाहिए,
and you are getting 2.5 lakhs per month,
जवाब देना चाहिए।
and you don't know how many people are bribing you behind. Mr. Modi ji, this is very bad that you should write a love letter to your corruption.
वेलकम बैक। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने
चाहता हूँ पाकिस्तान को उसकी भाषा
Or don't ask them to write love letters to you, Mr. Modi.
लव लेटर लिखना बनता
This is very bad, Mr. Modi, that you should gain support from the love letters.
है, जवाब देते फिरते।
Pakistan is a gentleman. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan is a gentleman in avoiding,
पीएम मोदी ने खत लिखकर कहा है कि
in
पड़ोसी
killing
देशों में भरोसे का रिश्ता
bribers.
होना चाहिए।
चाहता हूँ पाकिस्तान
Why did you send this Barsat Begum,
पाकिस्तान को उसी की भाषा में जवाब देना चाहिए।
the corrupt judge, Muslim judge, Tuluk judge, to Pakistan,
और वो सवाल भेज रहे हैं, जवाब देते।
Mr. Modi ji? Please send them, Mr. Modi ji. Don't worry.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने
Don't worry.
पाकिस्तान के नेशनल डे पर पीएम इमरान खान को
Don't worry.
बधाई दी है। पीएम मोदी
Thank
ने
you,
खत
Mr.
लिखकर
Modi ji.
कहा है कि पड़ोसी देशों में
And
भरोसे
thank you,
का
Mr.
रिश्ता
Twitter
होना
page.
चाहिए।
Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is part, certified that this trust upholds the Constitution of India and endeavors to maintain value in the high judicial order in India. Further certified that this trust crushes mischievous forces, destroying the said value in high judicial order in India. Shri Bhagavan Vacha Bandhuhu Atma Atmanaha Tasya Yena Atma Eva Atmana Jitaha Anatmanaha tu Shatrutve Varteta Atma Shatruvat. Thus it is sarcastically narrated in Bhagavad Gita that we should not be the prisoners of fate. If we nourish hatred in our mind, then that hatred will destroy our own self in the first instance. Thus we should endeavor to uphold the value of high judicial order and the Constitution of India. Thus signed by the sole mandate holder, Pachari Yoga International Trust. dated 26th day of January 2020.
पाकिस्तान को उसी की भाषा में जवाब देना चाहिए कि लव लेटर लिखना बंद करना चाहिए.
On this sad occasion, I wish to inform every citizen of India, be very careful about this black money, black wealth. It is going to destroy your body, mind, and the blood. What is remaining in your body is nothing but bone, a mere skeleton with a tongue that speaks anything. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिः भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is PITE. This is to certify that this trust cares for the welfare of the learned judges. This trust endeavors to serve learned judges in propagation of Bhagavad Gita and yoga. Oh.